saying that they will implement countermeasures if that trade tariffs do go into effect on September 1st. The uncertainty surrounding China trade certainly jumped. Today, White House Economic Advisor Larry Kudlow says that President Donald Trump just simply wasn't happy with the progress of the talks that happened this week, although he says that it's China that is going to have the problems if this trade conflict continues. Exports into the United States starting on September 1st. Now, our Chinese trade sources say that China will not add back in any of the concessions that the U.S. says they believe in. We had a deal in place. The problem was at the last minute they came back and tried to renegotiate that deal. And we understand it's the average number of jobs per month this year, 165,000.
Anything sensitive to trade, retailers, multinationals that depend on trading with China, and all, not surprisingly getting caught up in this downdraft. There's a lot to digest here because this could be only the worst week of the year. So let's get the read now from Deidre Bolton at the New York Stock Exchange with the very latest. Hey, Deidre.
Reaction to the president's tweet. Today, retail stocks are down again. If you look at influential trade group, Retail Industry Leaders Association, that's another one. Home Depot is member. Says the tariffs are going to be raising prices for everyday items, clothing, toys, home goods, electronics. I went through the list. It's pages and pages long. 18% by that index in year to date, so still outperforming the S&P 500. 16% gain in that time. I just wanted, before I throw it back to you, take a look at one of the groups that is falling. Actually, the biggest weight right now on the market, that's technology. If you look at all the big tech names, they are lower. You'll see the component suppliers chip index down around 2% right now. And as you've been talking about, the NASDAQ on track to close lower for the 5th straight day, longest losing streak.
Senior editor Jeff, how would this guy? When he tagged the author, we saw a lot of these troubles.
I guess that's going to be the layout. Not feeling so good today.
I love it. Call 833-LEAF-FILTER or go to getleaffilter.com for your free gutter inspection and estimate. Call or log on today and save 15%.
Give it up for the big first Frank Thomas. Congratulations, Frank. Hey, Andy, John, you guys look great. Hey, I feel great too. Ever since you told me about Nugenix Total T, I feel stronger. I'm crushing my workouts. Thanks to Nugenix, I got more energy, more stamina, feeling years younger. It's awesome. Nugenix Total T gets you back on top of your game.
From the brand that brought you GNC's #1 vitality product and product of the year, new Nugenix Total T is our most powerful man-boosting formula ever because it boosts your free testosterone and your total testosterone. To get your complimentary bottle of Nugenix Total T, text RELY to 42424.
I like this Nugenix. Hey, me too. Guys over 40, you need Nugenix Total T. And she'll like it too.
It was an instant savings, and I should have changed a long time ago.
It was funny because when we would call another insurance company, they would say, oh, we can't be USAA.
We're the Weber family.
We're the Tunnies.
We're the Hells, and we're USAA members for life.
Get your USAA auto insurance quote today.
I have always wanted to do this. This is going to be awesome. Let's do this.
Babe, what are you doing?
I'm in the middle of the bathroom. Who are you?
The bathfitter installer, remember? Bathfitter estimator the bath to get perfectly over the old one, so there's no demo or mess.
Wait, so no demo?
Sorry.
Bathfitter will remodel your bath with no messy demolition. As little as it's how I see my life. It's my vision, preservation. The world's newest ocean cruise line. This report is sponsored by eBay.
It's hot. Yeah, the boat's still destroyed. I made it. Oh shoot. did I do? I think I know what I did. I'm pretty sure. This isn't the carpet. This is some old carpet I thought about using. Really thin. That I'm basically using as a carpet pad. See, I still don't know what I'm doing right here. I don't know if I should try to cut it in right here, or if I should just leave that. I kind of modeled this one off of the other one, and I sure hope I didn't cut it that short right here. If I did, you're gonna have a problem. I gotta find a blade. Problem I'm having is this stuff slides around so much.
Paper straws.
Oh, congratulations. All right, Dakin, you're next.
Flonase helps block 6 key inflammatory substances. Most pills only block 1. Flonase.
What's for dinner?
The Nasdaq gained 30 today. The House Judiciary Committee is trying to force former White House counsel Don McGahn to testify. The panel is suing in federal court, hoping to make McGahn. Puerto Rico has another new governor tonight. Justice Secretary Wanda Vasquez has been sworn in, even though she had said she did not want the job. This came hours after the territory's Supreme Court.
Yeah, that's a neat. Right, I never realized until I took it off that doesn't belong up there. But it's a neat idea because it keeps stuff from flying off of there. I don't know where they got them. We're definitely going to redo them, put them back. But I'm taking them off so I can refinish them down at the shop. And I got to try to figure out what we're doing here with this wall. Definitely to fix that. I don't know what they did there. sure why they were using silicone on the inside. But
show back to Greenville. I've got tickets before you can buy it. Tomorrow morning here at WESC.
Alright,
And we know what happens.
so
It's not a matter
this
of who you
whole
are, the color of your skin, or your gender. Are you
upholstery
attacking
thing
him?
is not
Or
gone
why'd you come
all
and
that well.
attack his Homeland Security Secretary? The president attacked.
I decided to
Not
redo
because
the
he's
seats and
black.
stuff.
It doesn't mean
And
he's
I
racist.
measured it out, and I
The
thought
squad
I had
came after President Trump. He went back. Not because
the
they're
right
women,
figure,
not
but
because they're minorities,
I went to a
because they're
material
black
warehouse
men.
and I
We
found
know
this
the
material,
combination, don't we?
and it's
And realistically, Donald Trump is a New
looks
York
like, I mean, it's not, of course, like blue jeans. It looks kind of like blue jeans. Well,
doing business, you're doing
I
business
looked
with people of
at
every
so
skin
many
color,
different materials,
every
and they're so
conceivable
expensive.
orientation,
And
every conceivable type of
I finally went to this
non-binary,
material
whatever you
warehouse,
wanna
and I was
call it.
looking at all these different blues and
as Tucker was
stuff, and
saying, I think just a couple of
I
nights
saw
ago,
this stuff,
they
and
use race and identity politics, the left,
I
as a
thought-
cover for class. And
I was
actually,
worried about like the
versus
total
deplorables is
length, the
actually
yards
how
of
they
the
see
roll.
All right, I know
And
Tucker was here. Keep referring
I really liked that material compared to everything else I saw, and the size of the roll looked about like what I needed. So the guy measured it out, and it actually came out like 3 yards more than what I thought I needed. But what I wasn't thinking about, I was thinking about the length and not the width. When I originally measured it out, I measured using a wider width than what this roll was. So when I laid out my cushions, yeah, I was short. But I was able to get all of the cushions, or will, they're not done. I will be able to get all the cushions done out of this material. But that leaves me having to use a separate material for here. I was going to use this to cover these as well. That's how they were originally. I think they were the same thing. But anyway, it just so happens I had ordered this white material for the heck of it when I first started doing the curtains, and it's a white print. It's like nautical sailboats, compasses. And I ordered the blue. I like the blue better, so I decided to do the curtains out of the blue, so I just had this white. So what I decided to do now is, and I think it's going to look okay, this is going to cover these panels and butt up to this. And then the carpet that you've seen is kind of an off-white. The other problem was I didn't have enough of this to do all 3 panels. So I'm going to have to do this in blue. So yeah, this was funny. Earlier today I'm like in the house and I'm taking panels and pieces and the carpet and laying them out on the floor like it's going to look like inside the boat, and wondering if this is going to be disastrous or if this is going to work, because I'm like, I'm not an interior person, I'm not a colors person, I'm color blind, in fact, in some ways. Like I see gray
Mark your witness.
and it could be purple. I can't tell the difference. So yeah, I was really struggling with this, and I'm like, I got so many different materials,
An issue here.
and I'm like, what am I going to put in between this blue and the carpet? Do I go with white or off-white, or I don't know. I was just like really screwed up. But like I said, it just so happens I had this material, and it does seem to go pretty well.
This idea of taking virtue
This blue in here actually goes pretty well. I don't know how it's looking on that camera right now, but set them up in front of each other, and they actually look pretty close. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We're covering these panels with this, and the interesting thing about these panels is, like I said, when we pulled them off, we figured out the screws.
Is now
We have to figure out which is which.
Conceivable reality.
It's a shame we've gotten to this. I think most people can see through it.
The screws actually holding this one here,
really the content of their character,
here, and here.
And I'd rather not be dragged.
What they did, what I basically figured out what they did.
Over these debates coming up again in September.
And you can see it
Mark, we hit you with a lot.
with this, or I can show you on this.
I don't know quite where you are. I don't know where you are, but are you okay with all this work?
This is the panel I started with.
What
What they do is you're actually going to leave this fairly loose.
All right, good. Don't apologize for it. Mark Stein, thank you so much.
Where now I can get,
All right, we move ahead.
put the screws in, screw this to the side of the boat, then you actually flip this over after it's screwed on.
Plus later.
You flip it over, and this is what had all those staples in. I had to use that tool to get out. So that's the way that's covered. You're not going to finish it until we screw this on, but that way we can put those screws in and then come over. So that's what the panel looks like, and then you'll have the seat on top, which is this color.
All right, I have a question. Are you storing?
I don't know. I think it's going to look all right.
Fox Nation, all the time to join us right now.
But
go to foxnation.com. This month on Fox Nation, we're bringing you American Justice with an inside look at this country's most notorious.
I'm also doing this fairly cheap. Like, this is not an expensive material, and I didn't like go buy enough to just do everything. I got it at a discount place. There's no way I'm ever going to match that up. But anyway, that doesn't mean a lot. Yada yada yada.